nuts. What you want now?
Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at a bonfire. We were going to be watching some fireworks, but my camera died. This is a recorded message because different things were said to what's happening. So yeah, look at that bonfire, it's roaring. It's really cool. I really like it. That's one huge bonfire. I don't think... Well, I know there's bigger when there's an actual fire, but that's kind of a big bonfire. Yeah. So, if you see there's a tree in front of it, you can't quite see it, but there's a tree, and there's like oh, now there's fireworks, but it looks like the tree's on fire. No, there's a lot of fireworks. They look tiny. I zoom. There's more fire. There's a tree right in front of the fire. It looks like it's on fire. Or look at the fireworks. Bang, bang. Okay. There's some more of the fire. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's short but nice. Please like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!